All right, what's up guys? Today we have the 2024 McLaren 750s. So this car originally came to us fully stock. We ended up doing lowering springs, new wheels. We did the pinstripes all the way down. Completely transformed the car, just gave it a whole new aesthetic, a look to it. Looks great. We're gonna go take it out for some photos, make it look good, show it off. Let's go. Got the beautiful butterfly doors. Look at this interior. Absolutely beautiful. Sounds beautiful. So currently, I'm just driving around looking for the right place to shoot this car. Thing's absolutely beautiful. You get a little mini pull. Thing sounds amazing. Feels like a real race car. What's crazy is that I'm in comfort mode right now, and I can't even imagine what the other modes are like. I'm not gonna switch into them. This is a client's car, so I'm gonna be easy on her. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go windows down. All right, so we're in this neighborhood. Absolutely beautiful as usual. This thing looks stunning, gorgeous. Absolutely insane car. This is beautiful. Probably gonna change locations here in a minute. We're gonna do one more location. I don't know if I'm gonna take the road there because it's very bumpy, but we're gonna see how it is, and if we like it, we're gonna shoot there. Anytime I put a lens on my camera, I feel like I'm putting a silencer on a gun. I'm about to shoot something. The sun is very harsh today, very unforgiving. Black car like this, you are gonna get a lot of reflections. That's why we got the CPL lens on, or the CPL filter on. All right, I lied. This location was very nice. It gave it the nice architecture, urban feel to it. But I think we're gonna hit one more park to get some more naturey, kind of bloom type photos. So let's go. It's already got the AC bumping for us. Sheesh. It is hot out here in St. Louis. There's our friends RP Exotics. Got some Ferraris out. This thing feels like a track car, handles amazing. you going? Of course, yeah.
Oh wow! And you said you did the, what did you do?
All the visual, the orange stripes, all the way around.
Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow!
McLaren 750s.
McLaren 758.
750s.
750s.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. Wow. Oh, my daughter gonna love this. Wow, that is awesome. So do you work on all cars or what?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Yeah, every car. Our shop specializes in repairs, maintenance, everything like that. We do PPF, which is paint protection film. It can kind of heal it over time. We do ceramic coats, detailing.
You got a cord?
If you want to take a photo, our license plate covers, they all have our name on it. Yeah, we work on cars like these. We work on Honda Civics, literally everything.
Let me ask you something. Do you work on old trucks?
Yeah,
cars?
everything. We have a 67 Coupe de Ville Cadillac.
Okay.
We have one of those. We have like a 57 Bel Air. We work with anything.
Cause I have a 96 Chevy Suburban.
Okay,
and I want to keep it.
Yeah.
And I just want some work on it.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can definitely do that.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay. That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Good job. Good
Thank
job.
you.
That's a two-seater. It got to be a two-seater.
Yeah. Yeah. There's no.
Nothing back.
The engine's in the back, so you do have a hood or like trunk in the front. You know.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Good job. That's awesome.
Yep. It's crazy.
Wait a minute. You ain't gonna believe this.
Hopefully I don't get in trouble for this. But the photos will be worth it. I don't care. Through the McLaren in the grass. Phew. That's a shot right there. Cars are just such a beautiful thing. I mean, look at this. Unreal. I'm gonna have to edit these trees out, or at least the middle one. I don't even care. Oh my god, dude. How you doing? No, that's not mine. I'm a photographer, and we just did a bunch of work to it, so I'm just showing it off and making it look good.